National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mason County, Lewis County, southeastern Brown County, Adams County in south-central Ohio, western Pike County in south-central Ohio, western Scioto County in south-central Ohio, until 2:45 a.m. At 2:03 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ripley to near Washington to Elizaville, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Maysville, Washington, West Union, Manchester, Peebles, Ripley, Aberdeen, Vanceburg, Winchester, Seaman, Lewisburg, Camp Dix, Rome, Pike Lake, Kincaid Springs, Tollsboro, Blue Creek, Decatur, Russellville, and Rardon.